Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2001 Dodge Grand Caravan, and this, like most of our vehicles, is a wheelchair and mobility accessible van. I'll get right to the conversion. This is a side entry, manual ramp and door. We've made this all manual. Door opens up, it latches there. We've got the ramp, it's actually hooked, keeps it from falling out, you know. Easy to do there. It's got a handle over here. This doesn't really have any spring assistance to it, so it's a little heavier. As far as I'm going to guess, it's about 25 pounds. So most people can do 25 pounds, but just want to be honest with you, it's not one of those ones we can do with one finger. This does take a little bit of pressure. Roll up in, got your rubber flooring, easy to clean. Got your tie down points. We give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. Back seats look great. Look like they've hardly ever been sat in. Passenger seat is removable. It does have some wear from where the ramp dug into the back of the seat. It's very common. It's got some scratches. This van's a little older, but it's still very nice. Has your rear air. Headliner looks pretty good. We did put a dash cover on it. The only cracks in the dash are really just up here that I can see, and a little crack there. This is a very common piece on these Dodges. You can see in the pictures there as well that we have. So overall, the dash looks pretty good. It's got your dual climate control, so the driver can be one temperature, passenger another. Rear air. Cruise control, pretty clean interior. This was actually owned by a nursing home facility. They took pretty good care of it. They brought it in and traded it in on a newer vehicle. When you got everything secured, put the ramp back up. And what you have to do, kind of lean against it here with your body weight. It's not too hard. Get that strapped. What we've done is put a little catch in there. And what it does, it keeps this door from sliding shut on you. So what you got to do is give a little tug here. It's got to get over that little piece back there, right there. It's got to get over that. So we got to do a little engineering to this van. It is a little bit of work to get it shut, open and shut. This is a bare bones mobility van though. The tires on this are fair. You know, we didn't put new tires on it because every penny I put in, I got to get back out of it. So this might be one where someone doesn't drive it very often, just basic transportation. A little bit of oxidizing on the hood, very common for older Dodges, older Chrysler products. Same up on the roof. And again, I'm trying to be as honest as I can about this van. I'm not trying to hide anything. I am not trying to paint this as a perfect van. But as you'll see, it runs and drives nice. Still looks pretty good for being 19 years old. A dent back there. It's got tinted windows in the rear. Couple small dents over here, one there, a little door crease there, but overall for the price, for what it is, pretty nice van. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. The interior is actually very clean. You got your owner's manual in there, have your original window sticker in there. Much of the same. Got your VIN number over there, show that to you. Driver's seat's very clean as well. When we go to turn the van on, and you can see the current miles are 141,736. Fires that first time every time. It does have an airbag light on, and you can see those lights blinking. That's just through the camera's eyes. It does not do that in real life. So it does have the airbag light on. We've determined that's a clock spring. Those are a pretty expensive part. If you want that done, it's probably going to be $400 or $500 to get that airbag light out. So again, being honest with you, letting you know what we know. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.3 V6 engine. No signs of any damage, no signs of any water damage. Got good throttle response. We put a brand new battery in it. So overall, pretty nice. As I crawl underneath the van, and I'm doing this to show you. No signs of any leaks. That's the air conditioner back there dripping. Got a new oil filter on it. We changed the oil on this thing. Overall, pretty clean. And the number one mistake people make when buying a vehicle, they assume things. They assume because the pictures were nice. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume it's going to be a good running van. That's the number one mistake you make, is assuming things. Tell people to get off their behinds to get out and make a video. Even if it's an affordable van like this, you still want to know what you're getting, especially if you're going to buy sight unseen. So a lot of these shysters on the internet just try and send you a couple pictures, tell you, oh, it's a great van, it's a great van, and 80% of the time you get it, it's not going to be what you expected. That's 80% of the time, and I'm not playing. I've done this for 10 years. Know what you're getting, tell them to get out there and get off their behinds and make you a video just like this. So let me get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. I wanted to show you while we're on bumpy roads. These older ramps, they're gonna rattle a little bit. So I just want to be honest with you again. If you've never had if you had a mobility van, an older one, you know they rattle a little bit, especially one that's 19 years old. But just want to shoot you straight, wanted to show you that, so let me get it out on the highway. Before I get it out on the highway, we've tested all the power windows, the power locks, the power mirrors. Air conditioner works great. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We go over these vans very thorough. If something's not working, we do our best to be as honest as we possibly can. The back vent back there works honest as we possibly can to let you know. That back passenger vent does not work. If you want us to invest time into it and money in diagnosing it, probably a new window motor, we can. That will be on your dime. But that's a perfect example of I want you to know exactly what you're getting, and a perfect example of showing you things that you're not going to see when someone shows you just pictures. So let me get this van out, whether we ship it out to you or you come in and drive it home. We make these videos so you know that when this van leaves our possession, it's in good running condition, it's in good highway condition. We've told you everything we know about it. Cruise control works great, got it at about 65 miles an hour. Steering wheel is nice and straight, it's not vibrating going down the highway, so overall runs and drives real nice. I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. I want you to compare our reputation. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Check out our reviews on Google. People say great things about us, and there's a reason for that. Look at the other reviews of a lot of these people. You know, if they don't have many reviews or they have bad reviews, well, you're probably going to be one of those people that's having a trouble with them. Buying a car, buying a mobility van is tough enough. Do not do business with a shyster. You're going to regret it. So what I'll do is take the next exit up here. I'll give it a hard brake at the bottom of the exit. And we don't have any hidden administrative fees, no document fees, no tag fees. A lot of these dealers have a comparable prices to ours, and they've got a $500 or $1,000 fees they don't tell you about. You know, if they're going to hide money from you, what else are they hiding? That's something you need to ask yourself. So I'm going to give it a hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual vibration. So pretty nice van. It's, you know, lower miles for the year for being this old. It's been fleet maintained. And when I go back to comparing us to the competition, also keep in mind we're out making videos. There's so much this video shows you that pictures aren't going to show you. We go the extra mile, we spend extra hours, you know, getting extra pictures, getting these vehicles ready for show so you would know exactly what you're getting. And I'm the owner of the company, which brings me to my next point. Do business with the owner, not a used car salesman. Most of those used car salesmen, they're not even going to be working there in a month or two. They'll be on to the next job, chasing that next paycheck. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't care if you get the truth. They just care about that commission check. Do not do business with a used car salesman. Do business with the owner. I'll be here 5 years from now. I'll be here 10 years from now. I care about our reputation. I care about being honest. I care about the truth. And I want your repeat business. I want you telling your neighbors about us. I want you telling your friends about us. I want you telling your family about us. And if you ever need another mobility van, I want your repeat business. That is the difference between doing business with an owner and doing business with a used car salesman. So if you ever want to come check out one of our vans, please give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Again, my name is Jeremiah. Give me a text if you're more of a texter, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Try and get the owner's cell phone number from one of those big companies. Yeah, good luck. If you ever want to check out our inventory, check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.